Alright, good morning. I am set up outside the door of my garage, which means there's probably a lot more freeway noise because I am a little closer to the freeway. Out the back of my garage where I usually work with the garage door open doesn't face the freeway, and this is a little bit closer to the freeway. So we're going to try and start this up. It's about 31 degrees Fahrenheit, so 0 centigrade. And we will drive it around, and hopefully I'll get some closer to the ground shots of it driving around. Oh, and I measured the fuel tank. The fuel tank is 3/4 of an ounce roughly, so somewhere between 20 milliliters and 3/4 of an ounce. There we go. Still haven't got the throttle needle adjusted just right. Alright. We'll let that warm up and get a little water in it and drive it around.